Hey, this is Yulang. Today is August 22nd. I broke my left ankle, having two fractures the past Saturday, so about 6 days ago. And I just had the surgery to repair the bones today at 2 o'clock. Now it's 8 o'clock in the evening. I think I woke up around 5:30 with a lot of dizziness. I'm back home at 7 and had some food. And then now, with the dizziness, I'm gonna sleep to see how long I can sleep. I don't feel much pain in the ankle area because I think they gave me a long-acting anesthesia to that particular region. So that's supposed to work between 12 hours to 72 hours. It varies person by person. Hopefully it's longer than, it's long for me. But yeah, I'll sleep. I suppose the surgery went well because the doctor already left. It doesn't seem to be anything particular. Of course, I'm fully asleep doing the procedures. I know nothing about it. All right, just give you a quick update. I'll see you maybe a couple days later. Thanks.